Sometimes, life doesn't break all at once. Sometimes, it unravels quietly through heartbreak, true loss, and unanswered questions. It hides behind the titles we thought defined us. And when the noise finally fades, you are left asking, how do I put myself back together? We tell ourselves we will move on once we get closure. Once this is explained, once they apologize, once we finally understand. But some chapters end without answers. The moment you stop waiting for closure is the exact moment you start reclaiming your future. You don't need their apology to heal. Did you lose everything? Remember this, you are not your losses. Then life takes something from you. The relationship, the money, the opportunity. Suddenly, you begin measuring your value by what you've lost. But losing something valuable does not make you less valuable. At this point, it's critical to realize that you are not your title. The company lets you go, the title disappears, and you question your worth. But your title was something you had. It was never who you are. Stop punishing yourself for being human. Forgive the past. I know that you still hurt. One of the biggest lies we believe is that we must fully heal before we move forward. But healing isn't a finish line. It's learning how to carry your pain without letting your pain carry you. Wholeness isn't the absence of hurt. It's the presence of peace. When you lose what you thought you couldn't live without, you enter the space between who you were and who you are becoming. It is uncomfortable. You will be tempted to rush back to what is familiar, even if that familiar place is what broke you. Resist that urge. The emptiness you feel right now isn't a void meant to be filled with distractions. It is life clearing the ground for a completely new foundation. You have to let go of the old version of yourself to make room for the person who is strong enough to survive this. Rejection often feels like an ending. Sometimes, it's the ultimate redirection. It is life pulling you out of a room you have outgrown. Maybe you never got closure. Maybe you lost everything. Maybe you are still hurting, and maybe life forced you to start over when you were already exhausted. But your story is not over. The collapse wasn't the end, it was the beginning of rebuilding. One decision, one lesson, one day at a time. Keep moving on. If you're ready to rebuild from the inside out, comment, "Keep moving on" below. If you want to continue to see content like this, kindly join the community of individuals who have joined our movement by hitting the subscribe button. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to join a community of people who have decided to keep moving on. We will see you in our next video.